Naj here from the Fashion Culture. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss out on the upload, period. Okay guys, so I know I've been a little MIA. I feel like I say that every time I come on here, but as you can see by the title, I have some really exciting news. If you've been following my channel or you've been like a supporter of my videos for a while, then you guys know how bad and how much I wanted to move to Los Angeles, California. I have been obsessed with LA since a little girl. Well, I've been obsessed with the idea of living in California since I was a little girl, but I've been obsessed with LA for a really long time now, and I've always wanted to live here. So I don't know if you guys remember, but a few years ago I did a vlog where I looked at an apartment out here, and I also looked at a school, which was Cal State University. So I technically have been trying to move here since 2018. 2018 I got approved for an apartment, but I didn't move because basically anxiety. 2019 I got approved for another apartment. It was in Glendale, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted, so I didn't move. And then this year I finally got, approved for an apartment, and I finally just moved and did it, even though we're in a global pandemic, even with COVID going on. So I just feel like life still goes on, and while I think the pandemic is very serious, I think that it was just the right time for me. And when something's for you, nobody can take that from you. Nothing going on, no environment, no person, no thing can take that away from you. So I finally have my own apartment, which I'm in right now, and I really want to show you guys my empty apartment tour. Right now it's a little lived in. This is my couch that I'm trying to put together. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what my apartment looks like, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just made it to my apartment and I look crazy. But I want to show you guys an empty apartment tour. It's technically not like empty because my luggage and I have a few packages that were already here before I moved in, and literally as soon as we got here my bed just came. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an empty apartment tour. If you guys hear little footsteps in the back, it's Chanel, my dog. So let's go. Walk in at the door, and then over here is a closet. So I'm pretty sure I want to use this closet for my business because you'll see that it's a desk right beside it. So I think it'll just be perfect to put all my inventory in. So this is the built-in desk, and then it has two built-in shelves as well. So I think that'll be perfect for my business. Put a table right there and my laptop or whatever. Excuse the mess, guys. Like I said, we just got here from the airport. Then you come over here, and this is my kitchen. It's literally amazing. I'm obsessed with it. It has a lot of cabinet space, a lot of cabinet space, a lot of places I could put food and extra storage. Stainless steel appliances only per. Super big fridge, nice and big and clean and modern. And then this is my freezer. I almost took the whole freezer with me. But yeah, all stainless steel appliances. This is my microwave. This is my stove. So that's kind of the only thing I don't like about this apartment. I wish it was electric. Gas. And this is electric. So yeah, I have an electric stove. I wish it was gas, but it wasn't enough for me to not like the apartment. As you can see, it looks so modern. The black splash is very nice, black splash. And then you have my sink. So obviously all stainless steel. And then I also have a dishwasher as well. So I'm gonna back up and you guys can get like a nice overview of the kitchen again. Period. And then I'm not gonna show you the letter because it says where I live, but they gave me a card, some wine, and I just thought that was so sweet. So it just basically says welcome, but I'm not gonna show you guys, the letter. And then I'm gonna have bar stools right here. I already actually have them. It's just all our stuff right there, my grandma and mine. And then I have like all these nice lights. And I'm gonna turn back around so you guys can see my living room. It's a nice, decent size. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have the TV right here. Put the couch like somewhere right here. Just like a little area rug and a coffee table. This wall was actually, oh my God, I just realized I had my mask on this whole time. So you guys, if the way I talk sounds mumbly is because I have my mask on. But anyway, this wall was gray, but I had them painted white because I think it just makes the apartment look more more bright and open. So, oh yeah, and all hardwood floors except for my bedroom. So Yeah, I have a nice little balcony. Not gonna show you guys the outside, but here's a little sneak peek. I don't want you guys to see where I live. Oh, I feel like I smell weed. This might be the perfect place for me. And then as I said, that's my mattress. So my bedroom is pretty small, but I really do love this apartment. So this is my bedroom. It's pretty much only gonna have space for like my bed and maybe a little vanity table to do my makeup, but that's enough for me. It has a ceiling fan. And then that's the blow-up mattress. I mean, not blow-up mattress. That's my mattress. It's a memory foam mattress, but we're about to go ahead and take it out. So then you come in here, and this is my bathroom. Super big, don't mind me, you guys. So this is my little sink area, mirror. I look crazy. So much cabinet space, you guys. My toilet, and then this is a full bath and shower. Everything is modern, period, because like, you know how I'm coming. And then you turn over here and you have like a door right here. There's also a little rack for your towels. And this door is my full washer and dryer. Leave the house to wash clothes for what? We don't know her. So I'm really psyched up about that. This was literally something that was like non-negotiable for me, so yeah. And I kind of like that it's in the bathroom because when I lived in Secaucus, it was definitely in the kitchen, which is a little weird, but it's my closet. It has a weird shape, but it's very big. It has all that space up there. And then it has this side. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put like a dresser, maybe like right in this little area over here, or maybe right here. Yeah, you guys, so that's pretty much my apartment. Hey, Chanel, you like our new apartment? No? So yeah, like I said, the bedroom is the only room with carpet, but I kind of like that so that when you're like getting out the bed in the morning, it's not super cold. But I'm so obsessed with my apartment. I'm so blessed, and I'm so happy my Nana is here for the next week to help me move in, and I will be showing you guys that process. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I really hope you guys enjoy. If any of you live in LA, you guys want to link up, let me know. I need to make some friends here, so as long as you ain't crazy, okay? Yeah, but yeah, I've been out here for about 2 weeks and I have been vlogging some of the moving process. So if you guys want to see more like moving vlogs, let me know in the comments. If you have any tips on what you want to see, just let me know in the comments. As always, comment, rate, subscribe. Bye dolls, stay fab.